There.
Hi everyone, hope you're having a wonderful snow day, although I heard we're coming back on President's Day because we missed today. Today we're going to talk about angles and parallel lines. These two lines, A and B, are parallel. Line C there is a transversal. It crosses the two parallel lines. And we want to talk about the relationship of the angles. We talked about all these corresponding alternate interior, consecutive interior, alternate exterior angles. How do they relate when the two lines are parallel? And if you'll look, line A is parallel to line B here. Now, corresponding angles. When I look at corresponding angles, I'm looking at, do you remember, like angle 1 and angle 5 would be an example of corresponding angles. If I put my protractor down and measure, I'm seeing about 139 degrees there for angle 1.
Okay.
And, thank you, Luke, I'm seeing about the same, 139 degrees for angle 5. I'm going to make the conjecture, hold the camera still, buddy, and they need to see it this way, okay? Alright, I'm going to conjecture that angle 1 and angle 5 are congruent. So corresponding angles, like angle 2 and angle 6, well, I'm going to take 180 minus 39, or I can put the protractor down, and I'm looking at 41 degrees there. And I'll bet this is 41 degrees. Corresponding angles, when the lines are parallel, are congruent.
Are you gonna put the F there?
What F?
Like the F, Fahrenheit.
No, this is degrees. That's the way you measure angles in degrees, not just temperature. Alright. So corresponding angles are congruent. Alternate interior angles. I got 41 degrees there for 6. I'm wondering what angle 4 is. Those two are alternate interior angles, and it looks to me like it is 41 degrees. Alternate interior angles are congruent. Now, angle 5 and angle 4 are consecutive interior angles. 139 plus 41 is 180. If it's 180 degrees, those angles are supplementary. Consecutive interior angles are supplementary. Alternate exterior angles. 139, angle 7 would be an alternate exterior angle with angle 1. Well, I'm guessing they're congruent, and by looking at that, I'm seeing 139 like I did for the other ones. And in fact, we only get 2 measurements from all 8 of those angles. Alternate exterior angles are congruent. Now these are all theorems, but we're just going to summarize that they are. So this is 41 degrees. This is 139 degrees because vertical angles are congruent. Vertical angles are congruent. I think we're safe here. Okay, are you making
Dad.
these people seasick?
Yes.
That's what I thought.
I
They
mean,
don't want to be seasick.
No.
Okay. Now, let's come down here at this example. The measure of angle 11 is 106 degrees. What is the measure of angle 15? 11 and 15 are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are congruent, so the measure of angle 15 is equal to the measure of angle 11, and the measure of angle 11 is 106 degrees, so is the measure of angle 15. Okay. Now, got a tricky one for you here. We want to know the measure of angle RTV here. This arrow, that means those two lines are parallel lines. Now, RTV...
Students can see it perfectly.
Okay, they can?
Yeah.
Alright. All I know is this is a